Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Myself Anju Khatri. Today I am going to teach you English of class 4th. Our chapter is The Royal Cat. In this chapter, we will see what was witty about Tenali Rama. But before start, I would like to request you to please like, share my video and subscribe our channel for further notification. Now let's start. Our chapter is The Royal Cat. In this chapter, we will see, but before starting, I would like to say something. Do you know Tenali Rama?
Yes, ma'am. I have seen in a TV serial of Tenali Rama.
Yes, there was a TV serial of Tenali Rama. There are so many moral stories in it. Okay, now I'm going to tell you a story of Tenali Rama. Once upon a time, there was a king who lived in Vijayanagar. Tenali Rama was the court jester. What is the meaning of court jester? Court jester is a person who has been employed by the king in his court to entertain the people. It means court jester is a person who employed by the king to provide entertainment. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, one day a Persian trader came to Vijayanagar with some cats. He presented them to the king as a sign of goodwill. What is the meaning of goodwill? Goodwill means friendly approach. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the queen liked the cats, so she insisted to give 1000 gold coins to a trader. Then the queen then the queen gave each cat along with a cow to her maids, and Tenali also got a cat with a cow. After a month passed, the king and the queen wanted to look the condition of cats. All cats were brought to the court. That day, the king and the queen wanted to look the condition of cat, how healthy they were became. Okay? Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, all cats were brought to the court. The cats looked well fed and healthy. They purred happily as they walked. What is the meaning of purred? Purred means a sound of cat when they walk happily. Okay, what is
Yes.
the meaning of purred? Purred means a sound that's created by the cats. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
the king asked about Tenali Rama. Just then Tenali Rama came and said sorry and then said sorry to the king and the queen. His cat looked healthy and well tended. She was one of the most beautiful and healthiest of all the cats. The queen and the king were taken aback. What is the meaning of taken aback? Taken aback means surprised. When we got surprised, then will we will say taken aback, and all courtiers became speechless. Then a bowl of milk was given to each of the cats. All the cats lapped up the milk greedily. All the cats lapped up the milk greedily. What is the meaning of lapped up? Lapped up means drank something using the tongue. This term is basically used for cats. This term is basically used for
Cats.
cats. But except Tenali's cat, it ran away from the bowl of milk. The king asked the reason. Then Tenali told an incident that how the cat burned itself with the bowl of hot milk. Since then, the cat has not touched milk. After hearing this, all burst into laughter. All burst into laughter. The king asked, "How is it possible? What have you been feeding her? Then how can it possible that your cat looked healthy and beautiful?" Then he said, "There were a lots of mice in my house who chewed our clothes and household things. That's why he used the cat to get rid of the mice. His children had the cow's milk and the cat had mice. In this way, all courtiers had started to laugh. Tenali could not be blamed and got the cow as a gift. So, children, how is it the story?
Very nice, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Story is very nice and interesting. The story tells us how an incident can change the behavior or habit of anyone forever. Means an incident happened in on Tenali's cat that Tenali's cat hates the milk. That Tenali's cat started to hate the milk. Now we will do some activities. First is MCQ. Dash was the court jester in the court of Krishnadev Rai. Who was the court jester in the court of Krishnadev Rai? Yes, Tenali Rama was the court jester. Tenali Rama was the court jester in the court of Krishnadev Rai. Second is Birbal was one of the 9 gems in the court of the Mughal emperor. Who was one of the 9 gems in the court of the Mughal emperor? Tansen or Akbar? Yes, Akbar. Because Akbar and Tenali Rama were same. Tenali Rama was the court jester in court of Krishnadev Rai and Birbal was one of the gems in the court of Akbar. Now third is the queen gave each of her maids a horse or a cat. Yes, a cat. Our next activity is who said to whom. I have given you some sentences. Now you tell me who said these sentences to whom. Where is Tenali Rama? In this story, who said where is Tenali Rama? Yes, the king said to the courtiers, I am sorry, I am late. Who said this? Tenali Rama said to the king. Now, but your cat is so healthy. The queen said to Tenali Rama, I would like you all to bring the cats to the court tomorrow. Who said to bring the cats tomorrow? The queen. The queen said to her maids to see the condition of the cats. Our next activity is look at the following adjectives form and form adverbs from them. Here are some adjective words. We have to make adverbs from these adjectives. So, what is an adverb of wise? Yes, wisely. We write down wisely. Wisely is an adverb of wise. What is an adverb of beautiful? Beautifully. Yes. Our next adjective is happy. What is an adverb of happy? Happily. Here we write down happily. What is an adverb of healthy? Healthily. Our next adverb is our next adjective is greedily. And adverb is greedily. Here we write greedily. Now, children, you have to do these activities carefully. I hope you enjoy this story. Goodbye.